Welcome to the One Exam Prep's Next Level Contractor channel, America's #1 contractor licensing test prep company. If you're preparing for the 2026 Master Electrician exam, this is a different level than the Journeyman test, and the NEC changes matter more than ever. Stay tuned because I will be giving you a special discount code on all electrician exam prep materials toward the end of this short video. At the master level, the exam isn't just testing if you can wire something correctly, it's testing whether you understand code intent, system design, load responsibility, and legal accountability for safety and compliance. In this video, I'm going to break down the most important 2026 NEC updates, what master level exams emphasize, and how to study like the person responsible for the entire installation, not just the work. The biggest difference between journeyman and master exams is decision making. The master exam assumes you already know how to install and you already know how to look up code. What it tests is this installation compliant as a system? Is it safe? Would this pass inspection under real-world conditions? The 2026 National Electrical Code continues pushing clarity, consistency, and safety, and exam writers reflect that by focusing on system-wide responsibility, not isolated rules. Load calculations are one of the highest weighted areas on Master Electrician exams. In 2026, expect continued emphasis on service and feeder sizing, demand factors, continuous versus non-continuous loads, and proper application of optional calculation methods. At the master level, the exam isn't asking, can you do the math? It's asking, did you choose the correct method? Did you size the system responsibly? Did you avoid undersizing that could create a safety hazard later? These questions mirror what inspectors and engineers expect from a master electrician. Second, grounding and bonding are always tested, but at the master level, they're tested differently. In 2026, the NEC continues emphasizing effective fault current paths, equipment grounding, conductor sizing, bonding jumpers and connections, system grounding versus equipment grounding. Master exam questions often ask what is required for the entire system, not just one piece of equipment, and what creates a safe fault clearing path. If you don't understand why grounding rules exist, this is where candidates struggle. Third, the NEC is ultimately about risk reduction, and the master exam reflects that. Expect heavy focus on GFCI and AFCI protection requirements, overcurrent protection coordination, disconnecting means, and working space and clearance rules. These questions are written from the perspective of fire prevention, shock protection, and legal responsibility. At the master level, the exam assumes your license carries liability, and your decisions must protect both people and property. Fourth, another major area in 2026 is installation clarity and inspection readiness. This includes proper equipment labeling, panel board and disconnect locations, working clearances, and access and maintenance space. Master level questions often ask, is this installation code compliant and enforceable, and would this pass inspection without interpretation? The NEC continues to move toward rules that reduce ambiguity, and the exam follows that direction. Here's how to study SMART for the 2026 Master Electrician exam. First, study the NEC by system, not by isolated articles. Second, focus on why rules exist, not just what they say. Third, practice design-level questions, especially on loads, grounding, and protection. And most importantly, study like the person who signs off on the job. The master exam is about judgment, responsibility, and safety, not memorization. Becoming a master electrician takes dedication, but the rewards are worth it. With the right experience, preparation, and NEC knowledge, you can pass the exam and take your career to the next level. If you need help with the exam prep or licensing guidance, reach out and let's get you on the path to success. At One Exam Prep, we have everything you need to pass and prepare for the Journeyman and Master Electrician exams in all 50 states. Use code NEC2026 at checkout to get 10% off any order with us. Check out the link in the description below for a direct link and discount code automatically applied at checkout to any of the thousands of electrician-related products and courses. If you want structured prep built specifically around the 2026 NEC and the Master's exam, check out our full exam prep programs. We focus on what's tested, how exams are written, and how electricians actually work in the field. Subscribe for more exam tips, NEC breakdowns, and contractor career guidance. And good luck on your 2026 Master Electrician exam, and we'll see you in the next video.